Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Prepel with William O'Neill India, dated January 31, 2024. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of Basel, and certification of an ISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So without taking up much time, I'll start with Nifty chart analysis. As you can see yesterday, Nifty had a muted opening, but traded in a very downward trajectory from the start of the trading session and reversed around 300 points from the day's highs to close near the day's lows. During this session, it also breached its 21 DMA, that is the green line at this moment. Just a session ago, it had reclaimed its 21 DMA, but as you can see, Nifty is highly volatile around its 21 DMA at this moment, and it's trading very close to the 21 DMA for the last few sessions. If we talk about the D-Day count, the D-Day count, that is the distribution day count, currently stands at 5. Yesterday's session, the volume was slightly lower than Monday's session. Hence, we did not record a D-Day as the fall was more than 0.2%, but the volume was less than previous session. Currently, we are in an uptrend under pressure at this moment. If the D-Day count increases and Nifty lets go of the 50 DMA, then we will go to a downtrend. If the recent high, that is 22,124, gets reclaimed, then we'll go back to a confirmed uptrend. Talking about key news, the result season is still on, and here are some key results. Dr. Reddy's Q3 FY24 revenue grew 6.6% YOY to 7215 crores. Profit was up 10.6% YOY to 1378.9 crores. L&T's Q3 FY24 revenue grew 19% YOY to 55,128 crores. Profit was up 15% YOY to 2947 crores. EBITDA margin uh, contracted 50 bips YOY to 10.4%. The company received order worth rupees 75,990 crores at the group level during the quarter, rising 25% YOY. TCS announced a 15-year expansion of its partnership with Aviva, the UK's leading assurance, wealth, and retirement provider. TCS helps to transform Aviva's the UK life business and enhance customer experience, leveraging the TCS BANCS based platform. Another important results, M&M Finance Q3 FY24 net interest income grew 10% YOY to 1815 crores. Profit fell 12% YOY to 553 crores. Net interest margin fell 60 bps YOY to 6.8%. Results today that are expected to be announced are Maruti Suzuki, Ambuja Cement, Shree Cements, Sun Pharma, Dabur India, PVR Inox, IRB Infra, Jubilant Foodworks, and Suzlon, among others. Global market update. If we talk about the US markets, barring Dow Jones, the other two indices closed lower. Dow Jones was closed higher by 0.4%. S&P 500 closed lower by 0.1%, and Nasdaq closed lower by 0.8%. If we talk about the Asian markets, all the three indices were trading lower sometime back. As you can see, Nikkei is trading lower by 0.5%, Kospi is trading lower by 0.2%, and Shanghai is trading lower by 1%. GIFT Nifty is indicating a higher opening. Trade around 10 minutes back was around 21,626. Yesterday's close for Nifty was around 21,522. But considering how even the US markets and even the Asian markets are kind of traded in a muted to slightly lower close. Maybe there can be some kind of pressure, but going forward, if the reclaim of 21 DMA happens, more than the reclaim. If Nifty is able to once the reclaim hold up the reclaim of the 21 DMA, then it can be a good sign for Nifty. Uh, if we talk about the chart of the day, the chart of the day for us is Anup Engineering. As you can see, EPS strength for the stock is very good, price strength is very good, even the buyer demand. The stock is forming a stage 3 consolidation base. Fund holding for the stock have been improving. ROE for the stock is decent. Um, Last couple of quarters, you can see the stock has the overall earnings and sales have come back in momentum, which is a very good sign. And if you talk about the stock had the power to pivot, but after that it came under consolidation, which is that is why you can see the stock forming a consolidation base. On the right hand side of the base, I mean, yes, the accumulation was slightly missing, and that is why, as you can see, when the first breakout probably happened, it was a failed breakout. The stock went back to its base. Even the second breakout, the stock went back to its base. Currently, the stock is 12% from the 2% of the pivot at this moment. But going forward, if again the stock finds support near the key moving averages and shows signs of accumulation, and if probably this rebreakout is successful on above average volumes, then it can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of pre-bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at